High-performance gaming simplified. Each MEK Hero is built with quality and ease of use. We simplified the choices by building a PC that is made for performance and reliability right out of the box. Everything you need to start gaming with zero hassle. Each of the MEK Hero systems are designed, assembled, cable managed, and hand-tested in the US for optimal system performance and reliability. The MEK Hero series is backed by a 1-year parts and 3 years labor warranty with lifetime access to tech support. Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 3070 8GB GDDR6 256-bit AMD Ryzen 7 5800X 3.8 GHz 4.7 GHz turbo, 8-core/16-thread processor W/240 EKWB liquid cooler, 16 GB, 8 GB X2, dual channel 3200 MHz DDR4, quad display ready, up to 4K ready at 120 Hz, 1x HDMI 2.1, 3x DisplayPort 1.4a, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Gigabit LAN Ethernet, creator ready, game ready, VR ready, 4K ready.